shower here. You can get a little bit of a shower. Like, so the waterfall is literally peeing on us at the moment. Zakir, when was the last time you came here?
I came in 2019 last time.
2019?
Yeah.
Come, let's take a walk.
Why did you come in 2019?
Well,
Zakir's got like a funny story.
2020
He came in 2019.
2020 was COVID. I couldn't really
2019,
come.
but why did you come? With who you came?
With who I came?
Yeah.
Came with me.
I came with Riyadh.
No, the cameraman
I
is
was
catching
there
the
with
shit.
Riyadh.
No, Riyadh is making it seem.
So what did we do here, yeah?
We got birds.
We got birds. What we got the birds to do?
Two-legged birds, or were they like, they have chicken feet?
No, but the last time I came here, it wasn't so done up as it is now. It looks much more prettier.
What was changed? Because when I came here initially, they didn't have all this stuff here because I'm way older than you guys.
They had this in 2019, but it didn't look as nice as it looks
Beautiful,
now.
the way it looks. It's probably because it's underutilized.
If you could get a picture like right there in the middle, that would be dope.
Yo.
We can see a drone there.
Green screen and put your...
Okay.
Hey bruh, that's not a bad idea. No.
So, just busy editing the vlog, and I remember Riyadh told me I should try and put myself like right here with some old green screen footage that I have. So I'm gonna try that right now and see how it turns out. But I'm gonna leave you guys to watch this, and I'll catch up with you in just a few minutes. Like that, I'm gonna show you guys what the original shot looks like, and then I'm gonna show it to you when it's done. So this was the shot that I used, and I know it's not 100% perfect, but it took me about 8 to 10 minutes to slot myself in there, just to make it a little more creative, I guess. But yeah, let's get back on with the vlog.
You know, the scenery.
What do you mean you don't know?
The
You
scenery.
have to actually think about what's your favorite part of the place.
Yeah, it's the whole place.
Okay, when you were a kid, or if you were a kid, what would be the most important or the most fun part if you were to come here? What would you be thinking
Feeding
about?
the birds.
Feeding the bird? Oh, they don't allow it anymore.
They don't allow it now because of COVID, but
Yeah,
feeding the birds.
yeah. Oh, and by the way, guys, for those of you watching this right now, we only took out our mask now for this
Yeah.
video part because our voice is getting
There's nobody in this place, so
Yeah, it's only us and those really nice old people. And also you can go in here, they have shown this. You can go in here and actually experience the birds. African aviary. You can actually go in there. Well, we could. I don't think they allow it anymore.
wait, where's Zakir?
check these guys out.
I'm pretty sure that's a swan.
Yeah.
I think.
It's part of the bird
I
family.
watched the ugly duckling too many times. I know exactly what this is.
You're so mean.
No, I read the book as well, so I mean I know. There is pictures.
You tell the people what the name of the bird is.
What is the name of the bird?
I think it's a marabou stork. I don't know how to pronounce it, but what is it? Marabou. Marabou storks. Let's go check it out.
Probably came all the way here thinking we got something for him, bruh. And we have nothing for him.
They don't allow feeding.
Yeah.
Not Salimanzas.
We asked to buy bird seed. We did. And unfortunately, he said no, we're not allowed to because it's COVID-19. I don't know what that got to do with feeding birds.